Why security matters in Zoom meetings.
These security features help prevent unwanted guests and disruptions in your Zoom meetings. With more people working and connecting online, protecting your privacy has never been more important. Understanding and using advanced settings can safeguard your conversations, files, and personal details during every call.
Enabling waiting rooms.
Waiting rooms allow hosts to control who joins their meeting. To enable this feature, go to Zoom's settings, find the security section, and turn on waiting room. Participants must be admitted by the host, blocking potential intruders and giving you control over entry.
Requiring meeting passcodes.
Passcodes add an extra layer of protection. When scheduling or starting a meeting, set a unique passcode. Share it only with invited participants. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access, making it harder for outsiders to join your meetings unexpectedly.
Managing participant controls.
Hosts can control participant actions for added security. In the Participants panel, manage features like screen sharing, chat, and file transfers. Limiting these options helps prevent unwanted content from being shared and keeps meetings focused, safe, and disruption-free.
Locking meetings and removing participants.
Once your meeting begins, use the lock meeting option to prevent anyone else from joining. If an unauthorized user gains access, use the Remove Participant feature to instantly expel them. These tools give you immediate control to protect your meeting's privacy.
Regularly updating Zoom.
Keep your Zoom app updated to ensure you have the latest security enhancements and bug fixes. Regular updates often include new security features and protection against emerging threats. Checking for updates regularly is a simple habit that greatly improves your meeting safety.